Alam mo yung feeling na parang may kulang? You've been grinding for years, working on a job, nagde-negosyo, nagsa-side hustle, at minsan nga nagpa-part-time job pa. Pero parang meron kang next level na hinihintay. That was me until recently, something came along. If you followed my journey, I've been creating videos for almost 8 years na. I stayed consistent kahit walang nanonood, walang likes, at mga wala pang brand deals noon. Fast forward ngayon, I got invited to a private circle. At sa loob nun, I've met a lot of people who weren't just earning. They were building something bigger. And that's where I first heard about Ascendra. Reltukan na tayo, Ascendra is a startup networking company. And one of the minds behind it, si Joseph Lim lang naman, ang pambansang classmate. He's been in the business for almost 22 to 25 years na. Built people, built income, millionaire, and millionaire maker, and right now, he's actually looking for a leader. Pero this time, syempre, iba na yung galawan. Wala nang hype, wala nang pakitaan ng kita or ng mga sasakyan. Because Ascendra isn't just a business. It's a platform. It's a movement designed for the modern generations like me and you. Para sa mga content creators, para sa mga networkers, para sa marketers, para sa mga business-minded, at para sa mga taong merong pangarap. Or sa kahit sinong tao na gusto ng another stream of income. Take note mga brother, hindi ito pang hype lang because I've seen the back end, the system, and the vision. May timeline, may technology, and merong structure. So if you're someone who's been waiting for something worth building, or kung gusto mo lang malaman kung bakit ako napasali dito, send me a message now or comment Ascendra below. Hindi ko to ipipilit sa'yo, pero kung deserve mong mauna, baka ito na isang bagay na hinihintay mo. Again, I'm not here to convince you. I'm just someone who stayed consistent in what I do and this door open. Ang tanong, what if this is your door to? Peace out.
Ako po yung tipong tao na hindi po ako marunong manghiwat. Honestly, kumbaga, dapa kung dapa. Pero ako din po yung tipong tao na hindi na marunong mag-antay sa mga matatagal magdesisyon. Currently, masasabi ko lang po lahat sa inyo. Ito po si Joseph Lim. 22 years na po ako sa industriya ng network marketing. Ngayon pa lang po magsisimula ang legacy ng buhay ko. Yun lang po. Thank you!